I would suggest you to use this elastic string if it is your first time making your own bracelet. And of course, you can choose the beads or the stone that you like. Just make sure the beads or the stone has holes already. Let me try use these beads I bought from Iran, and we'll show you how to make it. Insert your string into that hole and then make as many beads as you want, as long as it fits on your wrist. You can mix match your beads if you have any other colors. So let me add this evil eye from Turkey. And that's pretty much it. You can secure the string and you have your bracelet now. Oh, you have to check if it fits on your wrist every now and then. If it's loose or tight, then you can still adjust before you secure the string. So